Let's take our requirement. You have a database and you have some tables. You have a view. How to access the practical use of view. One of the practical use of views, it can be used by data analysts, Power BI, Tableau, Excel, etc. Let's see how to do that. Go to Excel and data. Based on the version of MS Office you use, you may see something called get data or other sources. If you see get data button, you'll see database. In database, you'll see SQL Server or other sources SQL Server. Somewhere or the other, you'll see database and SQL Server options. Click data ribbon or data tab, get data, either database or SQL Server. Any option, in one of those options, you will see provide the server name, provide the server name, give the required database, and select the view that we created few minutes back. And next, one ODC Office data connection file will be auto created. Select pivot chart or table, click OK. You are done. You get year wise total sales. So customers need not really write any query, or at least the data analyst can reuse the view, readily use the view. Year wise, quarter wise sales. I'll show you again to make it clear, but this time I would like to alter the view. I created the view earlier. We know create, alter, DDL activities, and I would like to remove this where condition. For now, I'll comment it. I'll comment the having condition also. Verify. We have it for multiple years now, 2020, 2021, some past years data, old historical data. 3 different unique years. Let's see how to use this view practically for analytics. Launch Excel. Go to data. Come on, what next, please? Hope you remember. Yeah, exactly. Then SQL Server. Yes, yes, you are right. Others, are we getting it, please? I'll wait. Please, others. Others, are we getting it, please? Are you with me? Everyone, please. I'll wait, please. Perfect. Yes, yes. Provide the server name. Okay. You remember everyone last week authentication, installation class, authentication, Windows, SQL. Please, you remember everyone? Installation concept. Perfect, perfect. Yes, yes. Okay. So from there we can give the connections. From there you give the connections. So provide the required authentication. For now, I'll provide the Windows authentication. And next. Server ready. Inside this server we have database, right? Let's give database like this. Select required database in this way. Next, one office data connection would be auto created, hit finish. Next, finish. Okay, nothing else. Pivot chart, pivot table, select this option and okay. You are done. See, here should be in access. Year wise, sales should be in aggregate. This one. Now we happily see the report. So backend database, front end report, the bridge is view. Yes, are we getting it, please, everyone? Please, are we getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, observe carefully here. Yes, Avinish, you're asking about the use of view, right? Hope you got it now. Few minutes back you're asking, right?
Yeah, sir. I understand.
Perfect, yes. We can make it beautiful, okay? Excel, regular Excel. So in our resume, they are asking SQL database and Excel both. Why? Because they can communicate each other. They can add color to our data, right? So you write the query, you pack the query, you store it in a view. Excel Analytics is ready to add color to your view report, view result. As simple as that. With this, what we learned so far? Come on, please. What are the items we learned so far now? Yes, firstly we learned joins. Then joins with group by, right? Joins with group by. Then queries, view, Excel Analytics. See here the order of our classes so far. Chapter 3 and 4 we learned basic SQL last week. This week we learned schemas, temp tables, constraints, joins, group by, queries, view. Now we are into Excel. This is our journey plan so far this week and last week classes. We'll stop for now. I'll provide you all the notes as is. I request you to go through the things carefully. Practice the same order we are taking in the class. It will add more meaning to our sessions. Okay, let's make it live, interactive. We'll stop for now. Any questions, please let me know. I'll stay.